taxi. Ay, nako. Okay, let's go to work. There's my taxi.
Turn left on Formosa Avenue.
You can see road is very bad.
Yeah.
Only my car can drive, other cars no. You can see here, stack up. Everyone coming, start here. I took from your company today maybe 5-6 charge accounts.
Okay.
Other girls too. With me to Asha. See what is going on here.
This are stock car? Oh my goodness. Even here?
Turn right on Roslyn.
Okay, yeah. Very good people.
Because I have a client, Pakistani,
Yeah.
in
No.
Pickering. Yeah.
Pickering, no.
Yeah, but I don't work there now. I want to try something else.
Why? You don't like it, Pickering?
No,
close
I
to
like
you.
in Pickering, but I want to learn something new.
Okay.
I've been working there like for more than a year with him.
But are you studying right now too?
No, I'm just working.
But you can continue studying.
I will, maybe, after this pandemic.
But you're a nurse, yes?
No,
No?
I'm a caregiver. I'm a midwifery before in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just like SW here.
But yeah, I know. And you can continue here, yeah, studying to be a nurse, yes?
Yeah.
This is good for you. I have been
I'm planning
a lot of
to.
Filipino I know. You are very Yaman people.
No.
I know the Yaman, yeah?
No, yeah.
Because in my basement live there a family from Philippines, very nice people was.
Yeah.
2 kids was, and very nice lady. And I have from Filipina lady I know in Europe, very nice. Yeah, there are many because even here in Europe. That lady work too. And you like it rice, huh?
Yeah. Very much.
Japanese people like the rice too. It's rice like bread in Japan.
Japan, yeah. Rice in the
You
morning.
eat that one, yeah?
Only white people don't eat rice that often.
Yeah.
Instead, they eat bread.
It's like their bread, yeah, I know.
Potato,
Potato
corn,
Russia.
that's their rice.